Welcome to JSA TV, where we're covering the latest news, trends, and innovations from thought leaders from within the digital infrastructure industry. I'm Dean Perrine, and we are coming at you live. That's right, Sam. As always on JSA TV, we are live at DCD NYC in Times Square, New York City, New York. And my friend to my right over here is Mr. Samuel Rabinowitz. Samuel is I'm going to call you Sam going forward. Is that all right, Sam? All right. Sam is the CEO of LANTANA LED. Sam, how's it going?
Oh my gosh, what a year. What a crazy year already.
Yeah, it feels like it could be, August already.
Oh, it has been nonstop.
Yeah.
It has been nonstop. But no, we're really excited. As we previewed a little bit in January at PTC, we're very excited today to announce that LANTANA LED has the only lighting products in the digital infrastructure industry that is officially certified by the International Data Center Authority, the IDCA. So that is a huge accomplishment for the team. That's a huge step forward, we think, for the lighting industry in digital infrastructure. And we're really excited by this.
Sam, congratulations, buddy.
Thank you.
And to your team over there at LANTANA. We love you guys so much.
Thank you.
But if somebody had said to me 2 years ago that you would be the first, I'd say, well, no kidding. It doesn't surprise me in the slightest. But Sam, obviously, this kind of certification, this kind of honor, doesn't come easy. Why don't you tell our viewers a little bit about how LANTANA ultimately achieved the successes?
Yeah, great question. So the IDCA is an independent third-party certifying authority, basically. And they focus not only on the data centers themselves, but all the products that go into the data center. So just as we were talking about, all the, not just, the servers, not just the energy usage of that data center, the efficiency of that data center, but all the products that are upstream of that too. So for products like ours, they looked at efficiency, they looked at innovation within the company, they looked at sustainability requirements, they looked at materials used, where we're sourcing those materials. And that entire certification process is a very in-depth examination of these 4 products that we provide, the 4 product families that we provide, 3 of which received the G2 or Excellent certification from the IDCA, one of which received the G3 or Very Good certification from IDCA. So it was a very in-depth look at not just the product lines themselves, but how do we manufacture them? Where do they come from? How far do they have to travel in order to achieve, delivery at a data center?
Are they?
No, they're not. They are extremely thorough in their examination, which is why we're very glad to partner with such a reputable and thoughtful firm that looks at not just uptime, but those products that go into making uptime a reality.
Yeah, and it's you now have that kind of third-party validation, verification that if anybody is looking at LANTANA, they can be like, oh, this is the best.
Yes, and Dean, you nailed it on the head. Not only do we have that, but we are the only lighting company that has that. So this is our investment in this industry to really show and demonstrate that we are very serious when we think about digital infrastructure, and we are very serious when we think about all the products that we design that go into a data center.
You said the word serious a couple of times. Sam, I know that you're a serious guy, but I also know you a bit on a personal level, and if everyone at LANTANA is as intelligent and as personable as you are, I can only imagine the sky is the limit for you all. But let's talk about what the sky looks like for you guys kind of going forward. What can our viewers expect to see from LANTANA over the next 12, 18, 24 months?
Yeah, great question. So new products coming to market. We've been working with our customers. We've been working with new engineers and architects. We've been working with owners to really design products that are very specifically built for their needs. So not just, say, a light fixture with a new profile, but also, say, a clip that attaches to Unistrut in a way that is save 17 minutes per fixture in order to deliver prefab faster. When we think about this, it's not just a light fixture, it is a lighting system. And the entire system that we are rolling out for these customers is going to be delivered in the next 12 to 18 months here. We've got new products coming out as well that are specifically designed for these types of owners, and a lot of emphasis and focus on prefab. It's really the only way that we're going to achieve the scalability that the market needs to achieve
right now.
Exactly. And then you'll also see a significant increase in scale and capacity within Lantana LED itself. We're obviously scaling up with our customer demand a little ahead of it to make sure we're never behind, obviously, but also looking at new facilities as well as increased capacity in existing facilities.
Sam, the sky, it truly is the limit for you all.
We're excited.
Yeah, it's great to see you, Sam. Thank
Likewise.
you so much.
Thank you, Dean.
You bet, you bet. And thank you, viewers, for watching JSA TV. We'll see you real soon.